Om Shanti. This guided meditation is on activating the seven chakras, energy points of the body with Raj Yoga meditation. In this practice, we will do 3 minutes yoga on every chakra. In this, we will take 7 rays from the Supreme Soul God and will activate every chakra. Each chakra has a different color. We will take rays of that particular color from the Supreme Soul and will focus on that. Relax the body comfortable. Focus your intellect in Param Dham, the soul world. Our Supreme Father Shiv Baba, who is a point of light, just like we souls. I am a divine soul, a child of the Supreme Soul. I am a peaceful soul. Right now, seated inside my angelic body of light, I am a peaceful angel. Now visualize that the rays of divine powers are coming from the Supreme Soul and flowing into me. We will experience rays of red color, the Supreme Soul. These rays are spreading all over my body. My whole body now appears red in color, as if it is not anymore a physical body. It has become a body of red light. Red color stands for power. With these red colored rays, my root chakra is getting activated. I can see my red colored subtle body. These rays of red light are also radiating in all the directions. With these rays, as my root chakra gets activated, so does my willpower. All the bones and muscles of my body are becoming strong. My physical strength is increasing with this exercise. I am feeling very powerful with these rays. My root chakra is getting completely activated and cleaned. I see that it is now completely activated and has been cleaned. Now experience rays of orange color coming from Shiv Baba and falling on my body. My whole body has become orange in color. I radiate these orange colored rays in all the directions. With these rays, my sacral chakra is getting awakened and illness possibilities are increasing. Anything that is not working properly in my reproductive system is getting balanced now. Orange color stands for purity. With this exercise, my purity is increasing. My immunity power is strengthening. I have become completely focused, completely intoxicated in these orange colored rays. This is very happy experience. Now we will experience receiving yellow colored rays from the Supreme Soul. My whole body has turned yellow. With these yellow colored rays, my solar plexus chakra is getting activated and cleaned. With the cleaning of this chakra, my mind is experiencing a lot of happiness. Yellow color stands for happiness. With this color, I experience a lot of happiness as this chakra is getting cleaned. My digestive system is getting the dirt that lies in my intestines and stomach is getting cleaned. This fourth chakra experience that my solar plexus chakra is. Now we will practice for our fourth chakra, heart chakra. Experience green colored rays flowing out of Shiv Baba and falling on my subtle body. My whole body is appearing green. Now we will focus on this heart chakra. The more we practice receiving these green rays, the more love we will experience. Green color symbolizes love. We will develop a loveful vision for ourselves and for others. As I experience receiving these green rays, my heart chakra is getting activated. It is getting completely cleaned. It's a joyous experience. I start radiating these green colored rays in all the directions from my subtle body. With the cleaning of this chakra, my entire body circulation, my blood circulation is getting reset, getting healed. Now experience that my heart chakra is completely activated and clean. Whatever blood circulation takes place from the heart is now completely normal and activated. This system has started working with complete balance. Now we will practice for our fifth chakra, the throat chakra. Experience blue colored rays coming from Shiv Baba and falling on my subtle body. My whole subtle body appears to be a blue lighted body. Blue color is the color of peace. With these rays, I experience immense peace. My whole subtle body appears blue. I am radiating these peaceful blue rays in all the directions, experiencing the cleansing throat chakra with this. My respiratory system and thyroid system is completely balanced. Now it is working in a normal way. I experience a lot of peace through these blue colored rays. Now we will practice for our sixth chakra, that is the third eye chakra. Experience indigo colored rays coming from the Supreme Soul and falling on my subtle body. My whole subtle body appears indigo in color. Indigo color stands for knowledge. With this practice, my third eye chakra is getting awakened. Experience the complete cleansing and activation of this chakra. With this activation, my nervous system works in complete balance. With this practice, my concentration power increases. This chakra is a knowledge chakra. The more this chakra will get activated, the more successful I will be in my power to concentrate in any work and any field. Any knowledge will be easily imbibed by me. With this practice, I get the complete knowledge that I am a soul. Now we will practice for our seventh chakra, the crown chakra, which is the most important chakra of all. Colored rays from the Supreme Soul concentrate completely on the subtle body, becoming violet in color. Violet color stands for bliss. I radiate these rays in all the directions. With this practice, my crown chakra gets completely activated and cleaned. This chakra is the chakra of bliss, joy, or we can say supreme joy. It is the best chakra and it is the best stage to have an experience with it. It is the most beautiful experience. The more this chakra will get activated, the more I will experience being a soul, and the fact that the Father of all souls in the universe is the One, Shiv Baba. All souls are my brothers. This chakra can also be called the awakening chakra. The more my sixth chakra, the third eye chakra, and this seventh chakra will get activated and clean, the more I will experience meeting the Supreme Soul. The most blissful experience in this world is the experience of meeting the Supreme Soul. With this experience, all my seven chakras will automatically get balanced. And in this blissful stage of meeting the Supreme Soul, with the experience of this bliss, my sins from various births will also get absolved. The more I will concentrate on this stage, the more health, wealth, and happiness I will constantly experience in my life. Om Shanti, Shanti, Shanti.